Hello everyone, this video is about how to fix Windows can't be installed on drive 0, partition 1 or partition 2, it doesn't matter. And the info is Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of GPT partition style. There are several methods to fix the error. If you don't have any important data on the whole disk, you may do the following thing. Just delete every partition from drive 0. Then click Next and the installation will continue without any problems. But if you have some important information on drive 0 or any partitions on it, you may convert a GPT drive to MBR drive without losing data on it. You may do it using Minitool Partition Wizard free. You can download Minitool Partition Wizard ISO image from the official website. The information on how to download it is in the video description. Then select your drive and click Convert GPT disk to MBR disk. Then apply changes. Still, there can be an issue if your drive you are going to convert is a system one. If the software tells you you cannot convert it, please see how to handle the issue in the video description. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.